Standardized testing is important because it's a way to evaluate coatings independent of who is performing the test. You should ideally get the same result independent of the lab performing the test. The challenge with standardized tests is to find tests with good correlation to reality that actually tell you something about how your coating will perform in the field. So choosing the right methods is really important. Developing test methods for paint is more an art than a science. When it comes to subsea coatings, it's a little bit easier because the environment subsea is very constant. You have a limited temperature range, salinity is given, the electrochemical potential is given, and we see that standardized tests for subsea coatings correlate quite well with field performance. When it comes to atmospheric conditions, the conditions vary much more. You have temperatures from like -30 to +50, varying humidity and salinity from almost 0 to seawater. So field conditions in the atmosphere is very different. The correlation between standardized testing and field performance is then not as good as for subsea coatings. When choosing test methods for standardized tests, we do correlation studies. We put samples in the field, leave them there for 5 years maybe, take them in, evaluate them, and then correlate these results with standardized testing. If there's a good correlation, we have a good test.